Alright, gang, welcome back to Friday Night Raids. I have been trying to fight with the regular brawling weapons and the real warrior weapons, but my hand is just not cooperating. I've gotten to the point where anything aside from holding my entire hand, pressing W, sends shots of pain up through my arms. So, I'm going back to my crutch. I'm going back to LRMs. But there was so much tonnage, I went ahead and grabbed my ultraviolet with 105 tubes. See if I can make somebody's day
Override
annoying.
Artillery strike online.
Do we have any shooters on our team?
No. Sorry, Rainmaker.
Define shooters. Sharp shooters, dude. Shooters. Like, you're good shot.
I got you. I got you. Yeah. No, I'm not.
Target spotted.
Target acquired.
Damn, that cougar's already fucked up.
Target spotted.
God. We got a UAV above us. D4. Up top. Someone's already up top. Careful, Infamous. He put up another UAV. Got it. He might have dropped. I got shot on the corner at D4.
New target acquired.
Dang it.
Target spotted.
Trying to keep you spots,
Yeah,
Brent.
Delta.
I'm right behind him.
New target acquired.
I'm the champion on Charlie.
Target spotted.
Roger, moving up to get range.
New target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
You overheated too, hilarious. You're just short, barely. He's moving up a little closer.
Oh no, I got him.
Target spotted.
Low, down to our right. Looks like it's
He
a
dropped.
boat.
Target spotted.
Target destroyed.
Good shit. Alright, I'll get the cougar for you.
Heat level
Target
critical.
spotted.
Oh, he's going to be in the center wall area. On the far right at
Level
5.
critical. Override shut down. New target acquired.
Yep, there he is. Bravo.
Heat level
Target
critical.
spotted.
Need some help.
Oh, never mind. He just... I
Heat
just popped
level
him.
critical.
Echo.
We got golf on our flank, I'm
Target
running.
spotted.
New target acquired.
Kappa is fully open in the air. Oh, he has
Looks
no
like we're
cover.
going down low.
Cool. On him.
Target spotted.
Still in the open.
Still raining.
Still in the open.
Heat level critical. Artillery strike online.
Oh god, he's being melted. He's tucked himself at the corner, but I'm shooting in the back now, so he's going to have to move.
Target spotted.
This is cruel and unusual punishment.
Target spotted.
Calls down here with us.
Target spotted.
New target
Sorry, dude. Didn't mean to
acquired.
get in your way.
New target acquired. Right torso critical damage. Target destroyed.
What? How do I have critical damage
New
on right
target
torso?
acquired. Target destroyed.
Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Come on.
Heat level critical.
Alpha's in the open.
Something above us still in deep.
New target
Target
acquired.
spotted.
Dang it.
New target acquired.
Something dropped.
Target spotted.
New target acquired. New target
Target
acquired.
spotted.
Come on.
Target spotted.
Kind of bunched up all in
New
there.
target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Yeah, they're all F5.
New target acquired. Heat level critical. Heat level critical. Target destroyed. New target acquired. Heat sink destroyed.
Target spotted. Need assistance.
But they're all there.
New target acquired.
F5,
New target acquired.
Oh, that was a nice bleed in.
Target destroyed. New target acquired. LRM ammo at 25%. Target destroyed.
No, I'm dead. No.
No, my spotter.
You have a UAV above you, E5.
Need assistance.
That was working so well though.
Target spotted.
Target acquired.
I am almost out of missiles.
Oh, I can. They're in the
Need
basement now.
assistance.
Hell yeah.
Basement.
Were you actually hitting him, Clamp?
No, I wasn't. I was hitting the ground.
Could be one there.
You have a timber roof in the basement.
On the right side.
Good thing I put pulse lasers on this too.
Right side, right side.
Right.
New
Target
target
spotted.
acquired.
He's running.
New target acquired.
2 timbers. Both in D5, E5 ramp.
Heat level critical. Target destroyed. Override shut down.
Damn, that was
Override
fresh.
shut down. Override shut down.
Easy on the heat. Your torso's
Yeah, I
rough.
see.
We held the zone for 25%.
And our catapult's a little rough too.
Don't try to loop on him. There's no point. You won't make it. Just push with everyone else and kill him.
Target destroyed.
Nice.
Got him.
Warriors, you have taken the target. We are victorious.
KMDD on him too. Solo actually.
Nice. Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't know how, but I'll take it.
Job.
I broke 1,000. 5 KMDD. Thank you so much.
I got a lot of spotting.
Yeah, say the missile boat ain't worth shit anymore.
I had 35,000, I guess, in seatbelts and spotting assists.
Nice.
Alright.
Reactor online.
All right, gang. It's last match of the
Sensors
night,
Online. Weapons
and
online.
has kind of become just a fun tradition.
All
I grabbed my
systems
Direwolf
online.
Ultraviolet with 105 LRM
Command
tubes.
all warriors on the surface. Your task is to wipe away all hostiles. Show no mercy.
Let's see, which way are they gonna go? Let's join the group.
Target spotted.
Uh-oh.
Override engaged.
Get that.
I'm going to strip my small pulse laser on my head.
Right. I've got my medium pulses. I've got plenty of ammo. I've used every available
Oh,
slot.
got another ton on this thing I gotta find to
Target
use.
acquired.
Useful.
Target spotted.
Heat level critical.
Good job on the narc.
Artillery strike online.
Target spotted. Thanks.
I am going to wind up left behind. Just keep moving. Now, down to the valley.
Target
New
spotted.
target acquired.
Out of range.
Got a Stormcrow on the rotation already, C4.
New target acquired.
Out of my range.
They're all on the ridge in like Delta 5 Echo 5.
We need to cut off the C4 rotation and P5.
New target acquired.
I need to keep going. I've got to get
Target
around the
spotted.
end. Come in that valley. Ooh, or maybe this ramp right here. That'd be nice. All right, let's do
New
this.
target
I'm gonna
acquired.
put a set of balls on right now.
Oh, Lord.
New target acquired. New target
Target
acquired.
spotted.
There we go. Ah, dang it.
New target
I
acquired.
think I want to push those LRM boats.
Okay, so
I don't know
he's
if I should.
not
but I want
alone
to.
over there.
New target acquired. New target acquired.
Come on.
Artillery strike
Target
online.
spotted.
New target acquired.
Now I've got a better range for whatever.
New target acquired.
Take that little bit of damage.
New target acquired. Artillery strike online.
He stole
New
my
target
kill.
acquired.
Oh crap, they're coming around.
Quit too.
Target spotted.
Ooh, they're all over here.
Heat level critical.
Need assistance.
New target acquired.
Affirmative.
Artillery strike online. Heat level critical. Heat level critical.
They're all in between D5, E5.
Artillery strike online. New target acquired. Heat level
Enemy
critical.
forces at 75%.
Override shut down.
Target spotted.
I'm gonna watch your flank over here, Grunt.
Thank you.
Target spotted.
New
Dang it.
target acquired.
If they start hill peeking, let me know. I can help punish a little.
Will do.
Heat level.
There's a UAV there. Do you see it?
How the fuck am they get
New
rain on
target
me?
The enemy
acquired.
has started to chip away at us.
They got some big LRM
Target
boats over there.
destroyed.
Yeah,
New
but
target acquired.
Looks like only half of the enemies remain. Target spotted. Need assistance.
Heat level critical.
Target spotted.
New target acquired. Heat level critical. UAV activated. New target acquired.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
Come on. Dang it.
Target spotted. We're half down. Don't let the
Took one with me.
hostiles take down any more of you. Target spotted.
Oh yeah, this build's
New
where it's at.
target
Oh yeah.
acquired.
I chased that Arctic Cheetah way off.
Heat level
I noticed. Thank you.
critical.
Target spotted.
He might come back, but I chased him way away.
Heat level critical.
Come on, come on.
Heat level critical.
Turn my graphics up for recording a few clips. I've got to beat this game.
Target destroyed. New target acquired. Heat level critical.
There he is on the left over there, Hotel.
New target acquired.
Let's take those torsos off the Marauder.
Heat level critical.
Shit.
Override shut down. New target acquired.
God, I died mid-match and I still had so much damage left to do too.
Heat level critical. Target destroyed.
Danny,
New
use that hill
target
perfectly.
acquired.
The hostiles aren't eradicated.
Ah, well,
Nice.
burned through a lot of missiles. See how I actually did. These builds usually hard to make work well. 671, 1 KMDD and a solo.
I died halfway
I'm
through
good.
the game.
Jeez, man.
Nice.
I mean, you two guys did 1,500 damage between the two of you. We had 3 guys over 700 damage on the team.
Yeah.
And Grunt
good
was
match.
almost at 700.
One good instance of them not using terrain well, and I would have had it.
Yeah.